Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can merge cells in a table in Microsoft Word just by using a shortcut key. Okay, so let's go quick into the process. Let me just quickly open my Microsoft Word, and I already inserted a table in it. So in your case, if you already have your document which has a table in it, just simply open that. Okay, so what we can do in order to merge it is we just need to simply drag the cursor to the cells that we are going to merge. Okay, so let's say for example this one and this one. Okay, so on how we can merge this is vertically. Let's try vertically first before we can do it horizontally. All you have to do is press the Alt key on your keyboard, Alt, plus A key, A as in apple, plus M. Again, it's Alt plus A plus M plus M. So press that. Alt plus A plus M. And that's it. You have just merged these cells on your table in Microsoft Word. Now let's try horizontally. You just have to select it before you can merge it. Just move your cursor. And then press again Alt plus A plus M. And that's it. Okay, as you can see, you have just merged, or we have just merged the cells easily just by using the shortcut. It's ALT. Let me quickly type in here. It's ALT plus A plus M plus okay, so this is the shortcut key that you just need to use in order to merge cells in a table in your Microsoft Word. So that's it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.